What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to Kiwoon Learning, and today we'll kind of once again just be doing educational kind of trading, going over the S&P 500 through the ETF SPY, as well as QQQ, which is the ETF for Nasdaq. Again, a lot of what I'll be doing today and what I'll be doing for the next few days will be along the lines of just educational trading. So just understanding my mindset while I'm trading, as well as the psychology of trading, is extremely important in just understanding which way to kind of play calls or puts to. And yeah, other than that, we kind of have just some short news. SPY coming up and rising here just by a little bit. We have it up about roughly half percentage point here on SPY, which is pretty big. But really, other than that, and really one of the main things that we're looking for is the fact that today, or I mean this week, we'll actually have the CPI report, the monthly CPI report. So this will most likely be a catalyst to kind of finish off the week. But heading into that, we are most likely going to be choppy in some aspect. However, again, today we'll kind of just be looking to play certain straddles, as well as understanding which way markets are moving overall. In just some short news, we have once again Dow futures rising as we're looking ahead at key inflation data later this week. Stocks have been pretty volatile. Roughly a 0.75% average point hike is what we're kind of expecting once again by Powell. If we don't get this, if we get anything higher, again, we're thinking that we're probably going to take a dip. As of right now, we are thinking that the quarter or three-quarter percentage hike rate is priced in for the most part. But that being said, we really are trying to look for the overall upside for the market. So a half percentage point will once again push the overall markets most likely higher to end off the week. But yeah, once again, this is kind of what we're trying to look for as we head into the market this week. City strategist Abraham Rivares basically said to his clients that as we continue the week, markets will probably eye a short-term peak, as we're basically going to get pretty defensive-ish and pretty hawkish, meaning that today and probably tomorrow as well as Wednesday will probably be relatively okay, but once again, once we get hit by another three-quarter point hike, that will probably be the catalyst to eventually send the overall markets down and following kind of with it. As I was kind of talking about before, JP Morgan basically also saying inflation has peaked, which again is good in the long term, right? But once again, this may just be part of the cycle for a full market recession. Lots of long-term and value investors are still believing that there is still quite probable downside in the market. S&P, they want it to fall like another 10-25% from where we are now. From the beginning of the year, S&P 500 is already down roughly 16%. So yeah, something to kind of just think about as you are going into your long-term investments, things like that. Just because, once again, you could have the perfect technical setup, but if the market doesn't like it, you most likely will not continue in that way, I guess. But yeah, other than that, basically going into this, the weakening earnings will probably likely weigh on stocks. Getting into this Wall Street Journal article here, basically the reason why earnings will probably test the markets and once again be the following catalyst after these earnings is that analysts have already cut their estimates for third quarter earnings by roughly 5.5% since just June 30th, right? So we're just about in a roughly month and a half. Senior earnings analyst at FactSet basically said that there are more than usual marks as the biggest cut since the second quarter of 2020, which again was the COVID-19 pandemic. A total of 240 companies in the S&P 500 mentioned recession on their post-earnings conference calls last quarter. So again, not only is it just analysts and investors looking that there may be potential recession in the or short midterm futures, but also even the companies themselves, right? They're basically saying that our projections, we need to keep them lower, or else we aren't going to be able to hit anything. Again, markets have been very volatile in expectations, so once again, we don't exactly know what's going to happen. However, we really do like that we are seeing hopefully the peak of inflation here. But once again, maybe this is not the best for the economy. Once again, we've seen stuff in Europe happening, just it's not great, right? Europe has just not been basically feeling good at all, right? Because we've had, I mean, same BPS hikes that we've seen in the US, bond and interest rates at all-time highs, and really the fact of the matter is that we aren't really seeing terribly anything different here. But again, we'll see what kind of happens, but I don't exactly know how we're going to really play out. If it comes down to the overall world economy, there's a lot of parts other than just one or two here. But yeah, that's really just the main thing here as we kind of come into the market open this morning. I hope y'all have a great. I hope y'all had a great weekend. And yeah, kind of just be waiting into market open here. And yeah, some of the big levels that we're kind of looking at today is, SPY. We're looking to kind of finish our last tick up here, so we can kind of have a bearish move shortly. But as we continue this move higher, potentially back up to the 412 range before we come lower, and running into multiple levels of horizontal resistance. We're really looking at the main levels of 406.5, 408, 410, and 412. Once again, I will mark this in on the chart here. So also take in pre-market low here real quick. And then 408 here. And then 410, of course. But yeah, so some of those are the big levels here. And then as for QQQ, we did look a lot more bearish than SPY. So basically, so unless we gap fill in the first 15 minutes, we will likely move higher. We're already above pretty significant resistance, currently in pre-market. But yeah, that's some of the big levels that I'm looking at for SPY and QQQ. And once again, when you guys do understand kind of just trading and understanding the aspects of trading, it really comes down to the psychology of everything, right? So it's really coming down to the consistency, right? A lot of people want to have those big gains, right? So whether it's 25, 50, 100% gains, however, Trey, the guy I trade with basically every day, him and I kind of teach the larger aspects of kind of just understanding. Green is green, right? If you're up in the market, there's no really reason to be greedy, especially in a time where we're getting maybe once every other week, where we're kind of getting one-way moves. And so the main thing we really want to be looking at, right, is if you can lock in those 25, 30% gains, that means, most likely speaking, your TA or your psychological analysis most likely played out, right? So if that's playing out to roughly 25-30%, we would much rather want to have those consistent gains rather than consistently struggling, right? And consistently struggling but getting those one big kind of hits every once in a while is kind of the opposite of what we're trying to go for, right? Because at the end of the day, yes, we want trading to be basically a supplement to actual income, right? Some people may take on trading and day trading as their actual job, right? But a lot of people don't necessarily like spending all 6-7 hours the market's open just looking at a chart, right? So if you can get in and out in roughly like hour and a half, 2 hours, 3 hours, right? Maybe sometimes none of the trades set up in your way, but at the end of the day, really, you just want to go for the consistency piece, and that's kind of how you drive consistent profits into basically consistent growth, right? Because if you can hit roughly 4-6% on your entire portfolio, right? So we're just talking about if you start with 500, or let's say 1,000 to make it a little even, you turn that into $40 or $60, right? You do that day in, day out, end of the month, you've doubled, right? But you just do that month after month, right? Again, you will have your red days, you will have your major green days, but as long as you don't get too aggressive in your targets, it's really important. But yeah, that's just one of the big lessons as we kind of get into today's trading, that after the weekend we tend to get a lot of volume, a lot of people wanting to get back into the market and they want to trade in the morning. So yeah, That's just one of the big things. If we do get a big gain here, we'll most likely be selling out before we reach multiples of highs. But yeah, that's kind of the main thing we're looking at right here. But yeah, we do have a pretty big move up pre-market here. Again, just meaning that we are up roughly over half percentage point, and nothing has really even happened yet. But yeah, we'll kind of get into it today. Roughly around 4 more minutes till market open, and yeah, kind of just get into it. Again, on Friday we saw a relatively pretty big move here, opening at roughly 402.7, closing the day at 406, right? Full percentage move intraday. Pretty big by any means. But yeah, we have been getting some pretty solid moves throughout. This was September 7th, so I think this was Wednesday of last week. We got from 390 all the way up to basically, we topped out at roughly 399, I want to say. So, I mean, that right there was basically 2% intraday move, which was very, very large, right? But yeah, we are getting these gap ups. When we do get these gap ups, as long as we basically don't come down to this previous level, which for SPY here would be where we close on Friday. So this would be, yeah, 406, 56, or 57, yeah, sorry. As long as we don't come down to this level within like the first 15 minutes of market open, we'll most likely see continued upside for SPY here. When we expand out to the larger charts here, whether it's on the 4-hour or day chart, sorry, I really need to clean up the charting, but as you can generally just see, we've been consistently coming up here on the 4-hour chart, as well as the day chart. Again, when I'm describing these charts, whether it's 4-hour or day, these charts are basically just, once again, describing what each of these candles are, or what each of these basically figures are. So on the day chart, each of these are representing a day. For the red candlesticks, the top is the open of the day, and the bottom is the low of the day, or where you closed at the day. These wicks are the absolute tops and absolute bottoms of that day, whereas for greens, it's just vice versa. Bottom of the body of the candle is basically just the open, and the top is the close, right? So I guess it kind of makes sense. But once again, the reason why we use these is just because of the consistency and understanding of how to read them, right? At the beginning, it can be kind of confusing, but once you kind of am able to read them a little better, it is just a little bit better than just looking at a direct line up and down and trying to read that. So it just gives us a little bit more information as traders. So yeah. But once again, yeah, we're on this peak up, or a slight bounce up. We have this increasing volume, right? Still coming off of this large selling, and we're still looking to move to the upside. Once again, target for the end of the day today, we're probably looking for is roughly 410 is what I'd imagine, 412 if we're really aggressive. But once again, we have CPI coming out later this week, so something to kind of just think about in terms of just volatility, and kind of going back to, as I was talking about, with the psychology of trading, right? But yeah, something to kind of just look out for, and securing your gains is going to be pretty big for this week. But yeah. Hello. Good morning, Tree.
Hello.
I don't think I'm gonna run the straddle today, because when I was backtesting over the weekend, it seems like the two major things is like, as long as we don't like gap up, and we don't move by like over half percentage point, the straddle tends to work like really well. Like I think it was like over 86% or something like that. But yeah, I'm just thinking that it's today we're just up like, what is it, like a half percentage point pre-market, it looks like. So
Yeah.
I'm probably just gonna paper trade it today, kind of see what it plays out to again. But yeah,
We're finally gonna touch that 410 today.
I mean, that's the thought. I mean, I think as long as we don't get like an aggressive pushdown within like the first 15 minutes, you know,
Yeah.
I think, yeah, we're pushing up. Oh, also nuts open. Here we go.
We might get like rejected at 410 the first time.
Yeah, that's probably true. We might.
Oh,
Oh, also sure, I got.
it's like.
Wait, what?
I guess it's probably gonna touch the top trend line again in the next few weeks.
Yeah, yeah. It probably is.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I thought I'd go down more. I was pretty bearish, but it kind of helped that.
Yeah, I mean, I was pretty bearish too, to be honest. But yeah, it's just like things are also.
Well, now you can't be bearish because
I mean,
car
yeah.
went up.
The only thing, I mean, we have CPI coming out this week though, so that's like the
Yeah.
only thing. Once again, I will kind of just be putting in chat the potential SPX play. But it's not actual play that I will be doing, just paper trading it to kind of see how it runs out, kind of just testing it right now. But yeah, SPX, 4015, 9, 12, expiration, 9 points, 75. Oh lord, that is not what I meant to do. That's what I meant to do. So in terms of just reading contracts, right, it's just SPX is the ticker, 4015 is the strike price, or the price where we're basically trying to get it to. 912 is the expiration, so that's when it's expiring on, so today, basically. And then 0.75 is the dollar amount that's the put is at. But yeah. 41.
Oh, that would have been an easy trade. Buying calls that open till 410.
Yeah. Yeah.
I didn't want to though.
I didn't want to either. I was just not. I didn't really want to. Yeah. But it's okay. Should let it play out. This is interesting though. We haven't had like consistency like this. People are taking Tesla calls right now though. Oh yeah, actually over 300.
Is it over 300?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Whoa. This was a fast move up though.
Do Tesla contracts move the same as it used to?
In terms of like how quick they move?
Yeah.
Yeah, they move pretty quick. Right now, the thing is with these are still, these are 4 DTE right now though. But honestly, I don't know. I still might take them. Bro, what the heck? The algo on Tesla's 1 minute is 72%. Oh, 1 minute, eh? Well, that's interesting. But yeah, okay. Again, big reason why we're looking at Tesla here is because of this 300 level. So, psychological support slash resistance here. We kind of gapped up above it for today's trading, meaning that we kind of made this move while the market wasn't actually open. Again, the process of that is through this thing called ECNs, which are electronic communication devices that basically tell the market that you can trade during these hours, which is basically just after the market closes, as well as pre-market for about an hour and a half, I want to say, maybe a little bit longer. But again, most of these are. Also, I'm getting closed signal on Tesla, by the way, Tree. But yeah, most of these are usually done by out of the country traders, just because they have different hours of trading, right? But yeah, we have this gap up above 300, which is pretty big level for Tesla. But yeah, we're probably just looking to wait right now. First 4 candles, we're definitely peaking up, but not super strong by any means.
Uh, uh,
Oh my goodness. There's a test onto the 21 on SPY though. Oh, how's your big entry?
it was alright. Not too bad.
That's good.
I went fishing. I caught like a few fish.
Oh really? What'd you catch?
Like croakers. They weren't that cool.
Oh. Hey, that's still pretty cool. At least you caught something. Didn't you say last time you didn't catch anything?
Yeah. No, this time like, cause me and my friend we went like at 5, and like every time we just threw it down, we would catch something.
Bro, what?
I think they were like eating during that time or something.
Wait, that's crazy. You guys just put it out there and it just...
Yeah.
What the heck?
Ooh, what is this pullback?
Potential bait for the 15-minute. 15-minute trap setting up, maybe?
This is a bearish engulfing on the 5.
Yeah. That's a bearish engulfing on the 1 minute too. Just barely, ever so barely, but that would have been a pausing candle, I guess.
We bounce here? Bottom Bollinger?
Maybe. Bro, I like... Trading in the morning, it's fun, but like, I don't know, man. You have like negative data, I feel.
Yeah. I've been kind of waiting. Oh,
yeah.
that's gotta be a bullish engulfing.
It's on good volume too. Oh.
It sounded like you were gonna say on God.
Oh. Yes, for sure. That was on really good volume, actually. What the heck?
Should I just get calls and play it up to 410?
Yeah, potentially. People are definitely still bullish for today, for continuation.
No, I'm pretty bullish too. I feel like this is the pull like back.
Okay, but that was like a 3-second pullback.
But that's all you need.
Okay, true.
Dude, I just wanted to do something.
Bro, this is the reason why we lose money, eh?
Yeah. No, you're right. Let's just relax.
Yeah. Oh, also VIX is up today.
Huh?
Yeah, VIX is up in the green market.
Oh, that's crazy. Oh, I see it.
Oh, that's the first time in a minute I've seen that. That is interesting.
Ellie, we're gonna touch this 410.
Okay,
It's a
then go grab
magnet.
calls, Sri, please. You do you. I don't care. You can do it.
No.
If you're gonna enter, just enter. Forget enter on this
No,
close.
it's too late now because it's only like 90 cent soy.
Okay,
Now it
that's
wouldn't be
still like
worth.
a 30% move. Okay.
Yeah, but yeah. No, this one I'm not like too confident about. I'm just saying it's probably gonna hit 410,
Yeah, that's
but
fair.
I'm not like this is way too early for me to grab anything.
I definitely agree. So yeah, I mean, CPI is coming out tomorrow, so I mean,
Yeah.
probably not seeing terribly amount of flow or terribly well, probably shouldn't see terribly much amount of flow coming in today, like based on volume. Um, that is breaking day's highs though. I guess
Yep.
you could also take calls here.
No, no, it's too late. It's too late.
Yeah.
That was supposed to be like the quick, you know, in and out. Oh, double top?
Attention.
What is a volume like? Ooh, not even a double top. Oh, we've only had 2 red candles so far. Or no, 3. Wait, how's this? 1, yeah, 3.
Yeah. I mean, buying's still a lot stronger than selling right now though.
Wait, did it touch pre-market high yet? No, it's like 5 cents off.
Wait, really?
Yeah, pre-market high is 52, 409.52.
Okay, I think TradingView is actually just wanting me to lose. I don't. My highest is 409.03.
Huh? Huh? To what?
Okay, whatever. It doesn't matter, I guess. What the heck?
Oh, I see what you mean. You don't see like the tiny candles from
Maybe if I
where
go
it
down to
opened
like
pre-market?
30 second.
No, it's not even on 30 seconds, it's like on low end.
No, I don't. I see the tiny candles, but the tiny candles go up to 03.
Interesting.
Yeah. I'm telling you. TradingView don't want people buying. It's all just a market lie. Said, oh, the holidays came up, see home, sweet.
Ooh, it is not breaking on this pre-market high.
Yeah. I mean, we still have more buying right now, so that's not terrible.
It's at 410, I have 412.
Okay, okay.
And then after that, I have 417. No, it has to be 415. There has to be something in between, right? 15. Dude, I need to freaking delete my lines after I draw.
I need to delete my
confused, dude.
I need to delete my lines too.
Dude, Tesla's gonna go to a 311.
You think?
Wait, let me see. 3. Yeah, 311-ish. Or 312. Because it's in that chop zone. Now on the daily.
Yeah. I don't mind that on Tesla actually.
If you. Oh, dude, even. Because I was looking at it earlier. Like, just to see the contract prices. The 311s were at 2 something. Now it's at 335. I think it was at like 260.
Sheesh.
So if you hold it till the end of the day and it hits like 311, that should be like 200%.
Yeah, I mean even my 310 call I was looking at is already up like 25%.
And
Tree, should we?
just hold it. Just get Tesla and hold it till 311.
Yeah.
Dude, I think so. It's going there in a hurry.
You're getting a lot more buying than selling, I'll tell you that much. Whoa, this is a huge buying candle on the 5 minute. Yeah, there it is. That's 410 touch.
Damn, should've got my calls. Shoulda, woulda, coulda.
Yeah.
Nah, if I really wanted them, I would've bought them.
That's also true.
Dude, these Tesla contracts are moving pretty well for 4 DTE.
That's what I'm saying, yeah. It's just the retest, probably.
Or is it the rejection?
Potential rejection. A decent amount of selling on the 1 minute, but. Oh, 5 minute? We overtake it like that? Here. Oh, also, by the way, Trey, I don't know if we will know. We will definitely just not have that shit. But here, this is why I use TradingView. It's just because there's a lot of like community indicators. So it's just buying and selling on each like candle. So it kind of helps calling like tops and stuff.
This one has more selling.
Yeah, this one has a lot more selling on the 5 minute. On the 1 minute, it was actually even scarier. I mean, look at that.
It was like 400 or 500,000 in volume.
Yeah. And it looks like it was like 9 to 1 in terms of like what it was. But
Oh, that's pretty cool though.
yeah, no, it definitely is. Cause like if you go back to like other days, right? Like even on this candle, right? You're getting increasing, and then you get lots of selling on this candle. You get continuation for that, and then even here you get a lot of buying like in the morning, and then even until you before like you take off.
Yeah.
5 minute close under. How I want Tesla calls.
So sad.
It's probably fair. Let's retest 410. Oh, buying still ended stronger than selling on that candle tree.
Jesus.
Oh.
Isn't it sort of like decreasing though? If you look at the.
Well, yeah, but this is also open, so it's like, I don't know. I mean, bars usually always decrease. I guess on this huge ramp up, oh, I guess below, huge ramp up, we made this move up on volume, but I don't know.
Yeah.
It's decreasing, but yeah.
Oh, dude, what is this chart?
Nobody knows. Yeah, we're getting calls coming out here, by the way. Like in terms of flow on Apple.
Dude, if it breaks over this 410, I think I have to buy calls.
Yeah, potentially.
I can hold. Oh, it's doing it. Ah. Gotta get ready. Nope. It's trying.
Definitely is. This is a good volume on this candle here.
Ooh, there you go. What to do, Caleb? What to do?
Oh, tree, that's
Dude,
what
I
I was
don't
asking
know.
you.
This move is just going straight up. I really don't know.
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna wait till 5-minute close and then I'm gonna just go. But
Yeah. This would be the pullback that you enter on.
yeah, except that this isn't like very clean. Usually I want to break, like take a few steps higher and then make the pull down. Spy flow calls are coming in.
Oh, I didn't get filled, Caleb. I didn't get filled.
Yeah, I got filled on one.
Oh, it needs to go down a little. Otherwise, I missed it. Oh, this is so sad. Dude, I was so close. Oh my god, why didn't I get filled? I think it actually like hit it, but it didn't fill me.
Too many orders probably in front of you.
Dude, god fucking damn it. Oh, dude, I'm so sad. I would have been up 30% already. Or like 25.
Yeah, I mean,
Twenty-eight.
I just took like spy calls instead of SPX. But yeah.
Okay, I guess I cancel this order.
Okay, God of
Can
War.
do it.
I'm just trying to scalp these right now. Maybe just re-enter an SPX or something.
I'll wait till post time. Ah, so sad. So sad. What's IV like? Oh, it's not bad.
Yeah, IV is not bad at all. Up 12% on my other contract right now.
I have to be patient again. Oh, Caleb, I'm so sad. I am so sad.
Yeah. Yeah. Up 21% on SPY contracts, by the way. Not even SPX, holy shit. SPY isn't moving. Alright, putting 5% stop here. Not trying to necessarily exit now, but definitely just trying to lock in here.
Would have been an easy 50%. Damn it, Caleb. Oh my god. Dude, I'm so annoyed now. I'm annoyed. I'm about to do something real stupid.
Calm
Nice.
down, Tree, just reset.
Look at that. It's like just straight up from the
Yeah.
bottom. Oh, dude. Yeah, so next level I have is 411. Busy.
Really?
Yeah. That's
Oh
why I
boy.
wanted the calls. But like, I think this was another chop zone from. Let me see. No. No. Like this whole area is just straight up. The last time we went down.
Oh boy. We are starting to get decreasing volume here, however. I'm still in SPY contract. SPY contract up 27%.
Oh, dude. I'm gonna cry. Let me see what my thing is at. Oh my goodness, like 60%.
Ooh, candle's starting to move quick here.
Caleb, why? Why didn't it film me? Was it not meant to be?
Tree, it wasn't meant to be. If that's what I need to tell you, then that's what I need to tell you, okay?
Dude, it's about to be 100%.
Oh my goodness. I mean, we like pull back eventually, right? I still haven't hit out of my stop yet. I'm up 35% on SPY, Tree.
Don't talk to me, Caleb.
Alright, I got filled out finally.
All because I wanted to save $5.
Tree, my swamp fort's up 10%. Off of SPY. Oh my goodness. And we pulled right back up too. That's crazy. I mean, IV after that move has to be sky high, is it not? It's not even sky high, the hell?
My head hurts. Dude, that was like the perfect. Well, I always say that after I miss anything, but no, that candle that broke over was a pretty solid candle because like it broke over, but then the majority of the candle was above it.
Right, yeah.
Ah, so sad, so sad, so bad.
Ooh, not exactly the 9 touch, but that was interesting. Also, yeah, Tree, I don't know if you're still watching the stream, but look at this. Or, not the stream, my screen share. On the 1 minute candle, the retest that broke back above, that was the buying we're selling.
Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Buying we're selling, get some selling on the second candle, but once again, the pausing candle. And then, yeah, make that move up.
Dude, they should add this to Weeble. Let's pull back to the 21.
There's the 9. Oh, interesting close. We go back up? Imagine no 21 touch for Tree. It just keeps going up.
Oh, cry. Also, I don't know if I want to buy calls like this high. So, even if it hits the 21.
Yeah, selling is finally stronger than buying on the 1 minute. 5 minute, same thing. Holy shit. Nah, it's the pausing candle in the 5 minute Tree.
I don't know, Caleb.
Decreasing volume coming across too, yeah. It would be hard for reversal here, I'll be honest. I mean, like, revert back up to the upside here for calls. I think selling probably continues at least the 21, is what I'd imagine. Oh, but those are multiple holes over the 9 though. 5 minute, 40 seconds to close. Oh, Tree, this really looks like a pausing candle. Multiple closes over the 9. Unless we sell out
We'll
here.
buy calls if it holds over 411.
Yeah, that's
Like
a
if
good
it
level.
bounces back up.
That's a good level,
I
yeah.
don't know. Or maybe retest of 410 and it bounces. It has to bounce though. If it breaks under, I can't buy it.
It's fair, yeah.
Pretty sure you have to get a retest.
Oh yeah,
I
no,
mean,
this would
you
be a
don't
beautiful.
have to. Yeah.
This would be a beautiful retest actually. If we pull all the way back down.
Hey, there are buyers, a lot of buyers trying to buy at this 9 EMA.
Yeah, they really are. That really was a beautiful trade though, Trey.
Yeah, thanks for rubbing it in.
Yeah, no
Thank
problem.
you.
I'll keep doing it, don't worry. Oh, these are so many holds though, Trey.
I know. I know. So if it breaks over 411, I guess I'll get calls.
Yeah, I like that.
I really want the retest. I really want that.
Also, just by the way, you know, I had put the straddle in the chat or whatever.
Mhm.
4150 call, up 110%. So I guess that worked again. I think the put is still like down only like 60%, so overall you would still be netting like 40% of the position once again.
Jeez Louise.
We're getting decreasing volume here.
Sad, 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 sad. Sad, 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 sad. Sad.
Yeah, I mean, I figure we probably consolidate this level now.
Yeah, for a bit. You just go down. This 410 would be the 9 on the 5-minute. 2.
Yeah, it would be. Upstart flow coming in.
Oh my goodness. Dude, Tesla looks so strong.
Tesla.
I guess there's a 405. 405.25, I guess. If it breaks over that, like, area.
Yeah,
Ooh, it's breaking right now. Shit. Calls?
I'm thinking that I'm saying yeah.
No. Not yet. Candle didn't close over.
SPY is doing some weird consolidating here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Use the restroom really fast. Let's see. Dude, it still hasn't touched the 21.
Nope.
Oh, I'm so sad. Dude, imagine if I bought my calls from all the way down there when I said I would. I don't think I would hold it all the way up, but imagine if I did. Would have been a good day.
Yeah, I think I'm pretty happy for the day trade, I'll be honest. Added 10% to the port. Guess you can't necessarily go wrong with that.
Break over 411. I don't even think it's gonna retest 410.
I do not think
really
so
don't.
either. This looks really weak. I don't know. I mean, this is consistently decreasing volume, and these are pretty bad wicks. 5 minute. I guess we could be flagging on the 5 minute actually.
Yeah.
It's just volume like sucks. Like this is bad. Also true, I will be getting off like actually in 15 minutes because I guess I forgot that they had homework due in like an hour. Me. So, or not an hour, I have to do it at noon, so I guess I have like 2 hours, but I should probably go take a shower before class, so. am I so stupid, tree? You know, the
What?
only reason why I even looked at it was because I was just reloading my like dashboard for my classes, and it said like to do, and I was like, I don't have nothing to do. I was like, yeah, you do. I was like, what?
Oh,
I was like, alright.
alright. Break over high so I can get calls. Ooh, the bands are so tight.
They are. I grabbed one.
I'm gonna wait for the break. Or should I?
I mean, yeah, you should wait for the break. It looks like we'll get closed over here for 11. Or not.
At 1 cent.
Okay. What?
Huh?
What? Dude, what the hell was that?
What?
Oh my goodness. On my screen, the candle completely flipped on its head.
What?
Yeah, it literally went from positive to negative, and I was like, eh? Or negative positive, sorry.
I didn't get that. That's weird. Trading view is weird.
Yeah, trading is just messing with me. Wants to give me more
Alright, I'm
anxiety.
getting in. I'm getting one. Just one.
10%.
God damn it. Okay. No, 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 not like
20%.
this.
Wait, what?
I cannot get not filled. Again.
You can get filled again?
No, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Hold up, Caleb. Hold up. I did not get filled.
No. 25%. I'm selling out of one contract here.
God damn it. Just pull down a little, please, please, please. No!
And there she goes.
Dude, fucking shit, bro.
Oh.
Dude, this is so fucking annoying.
Oh, 40%. Cherry, I told you to get filled. Bro, you can't be going with the most aggressive like buys of all time.
I cry.
No, do not do that.
Dude, volume's picking up too. Oh my goodness.
Alright, I'll be setting my stop on this other contract for 15%. Oh, so at the very least I'll get out for 20 on the position.
Why am I so retarded today?
Tree,
Dude,
you're
oh
just-
my god,
you're
it's
being,
already
like,
almost at...
just a little bit too patient. That's why. Like, there's patience for sure, but like, there's also like stuff where like, I don't know. You can just, I don't know. I don't know.
Dude, this is fucked up. This is messed up. This, my friend, is messed up.
Setting the stop for 25% now. Oh, there's a lot of selling on the candle though. We're selling the buying.
No, it's just cause like, yeah, sometimes when you're doing SPX on the phone, it's hard to get the right price.
It's fair, yeah, but that's why like I always reload like right before I like do it, you know.
Yeah. I might just cancel the order.
Yeah, it's probably the smarter thing to do.
Ah, god fucking damn it. I should stop
It's
cussing.
alright, true. Yeah, but it's okay.
How do I miss like 250% in a row?
I I couldn't tell you. Contract currently at 4.2. Entry was at 265.
Ah.
Alright, I'm gonna just set the stop for 50%. Move a tick lower, I'll exit. Not necessarily calculated exit, I just want to exit. Looks like we might hit it here. And I'm out, 3.8.
Nice.
Okay, well, my small part today is up 40%.
Nice. Must be nice.
Yes, sure it is. And you know what's even nicer? The fact that I said, yeah, go. And you're like, okay, I'll still wait for the perfect entry. No.
Nah, maybe I should just not trade today.
Yeah, your mentality is kind of, yeah. Mental's kind of screwed over. I don't know.
I have not made a single trade yet. I am up 0%, down 0%.
Okay, if I were you, I would just like lock SPX away, and if you are gonna trade, just trade something else. Just trade regular SPY. Because yeah, if you trade SPX, it's gonna F up your mental. I wouldn't trade SPX here. Also, I'm really thinking about it. How was that move so much?
Probably because the contracts died down a bit, because we moved sideways. But before that, like, it was just straight up.
Yeah, that's
so
fair.
I guess the best time to buy would have been the dip, like when there was a red candle. Otherwise, like, it's probably not gonna move as fast because it's been green after that.
I know, but I caught the contracts like here. This was the entry. I got the contract here.
Yeah.
And this ended up being like 50%. Like what?
Yeah.
This is a.
I've noticed like in the first hour, SPX moves like weird.
Yeah, because that's only like a 70-cent move. It's kind of moving mad.
Oh, actually so sad. Actually so sad.
It is okay, Tree. We resets. Alright. Well, this is interesting. We touch the 9 and we do that. I mean, alright. Volume is definitely a lot better here.
I have some weird resistance at 411.80 though. I don't know why it's there, but we'll see.
411.80?
Yeah.
Also, yeah, I don't know why it took me so long to read that as a bull flag. Like, if you look at that volume on those, like, 3 5-minute candles, those were completely squeezing volume. Like, here, look at this. These 3 candles, these are what the 3, like, volume, like, buy/call was. Versus, like, this was a Friday. I don't think we had a single time Friday where we had this low volume, where we're squeezing like this. Maybe here?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I go down, not up. I go here. Yeah, and this was still squeezing volume again. That took me a little bit too long to read, but it's whatever. I still caught it, I guess. But
Oh, oh, what to do, Caleb? What to do?
I like actually could not tell you at this point, Trey.
So sad. So sad. So bad.
Okay, so the 40-15 put, so for the straddle I was talking about,
Mhm.
here, let me take a screenshot and I'll send it into chat real quick. So, 1 second. So I picked up, I went, I guess, slightly heavier with the put than I did call, but it wasn't that much. But, basically, so the put right now, 40-15, I could still sell it for $30, right? And just exit. But the 4150 call right now, not even close to being in the money. However, it's trading at 1.6 right now. So $100 to the upside, basically $50 loss to the downside, so $50 gain on a $140 position.
Okay.
Yeah. That's not bad. It's like what, 35%? 40%? Something like that.
Maybe you just do it every day until it stops working.
I mean, it consistently is hit, right? Like, even yesterday, we expired, on Friday, both of them expired out of the money, right? But, like, if you just have, like, a set, like, if your goal is just, like, 25% per day type thing,
Yeah.
I mean, so far we haven't missed. Because Friday, I think it peaked at, like, 40% on position. So, that is interesting.
Money glitch. Alright, I call top here.
You call top
Just
here?
kidding. See the 5 minute. Dude, 5 minute looks like it's just going straight up.
Yeah, it really is. Has there been a morning, like in the first hour, where we just chopped? Like for the first full hour?
Yeah, I think so.
Because, really? In the last like week, I don't remember like the
Oh
first...
no, not in like the last week, but before there would be.
Tree, I might like actually run this tomorrow. Yeah, there hasn't been a single day in the past week. Okay, this is now what? September 2nd? No, we've always had a significant move within the first hour. It doesn't matter where we... This still is ending up... First hour. This is first hour again. Tree, there hasn't been... Okay, this move maybe. The last time was August 29th, where we didn't have like a significant move. And even that move at open was 402 up to... It was still a half percentage move on the like intraday.
Yeah.
I mean, I think I just run it tomorrow, no? August 24th was only a dollar move on SPY, so I guess maybe that didn't pay off.
Tesla does not want to break over this 405. It's crazy. Are you looking at the chart for Tesla?
1 second. I need to get up. Yeah, it doesn't. It really doesn't.
But if it does, guess who will be buying the calls this time?
This is a long flag though.
Yeah, I wouldn't say it's a flag.
Yeah.
It's just like consolidating under the resistance.
Yeah.
Dude, SPY still hasn't touched their 9 on the 5 minute. It's a freak.
Sure, I think I'm just gonna buy a straddle open tomorrow.
Yeah, let me know how it goes, because I might do the same.
Okay, yeah.
I'm tired of this. Tired of missing so many.
Yeah, because this is just, I mean, seriously, well, August 29th, we had, it was still a half percentage point, like, intraday move, because, like, today, right, I mean, we're moving, but it's still only about a half percentage, just over, it's like 0.65, maybe 0.75 percentage move, within the first hour, but what is it, the last time we didn't have larger than a half percentage move in the first hour, was the 28th, or sorry, 24th, which was 1, 2, 3, 4, nearly 5 weeks ago, which is kind of insane. Because I think as long as we get a half percentage move at open, straddle pays off, like probably anywhere between 30 to 40%. Lots of selling in the 5 minute. 5 minute very strong selling actually. Did true call top?
I hope not, because I still want calls.
I mean, yeah, Vibe's looking so consistent.
Tesla though. Will it break? Or will it go down?
That is a question. Now things get boring. Oh shoot, it's 10:30 already, man. Why? Oh. Okay, Tree, I think I'm gonna go take a shower. But I'm telling you, do not, if you do grab calls, don't go
Sorry,
SPX.
my headphones died.
Oh, no, you're good. I'm just saying, I need to go take my shower now, but same for you though. If you go calls or puts, go SPY, okay? Don't go SPX.
Okay, I swear.
Because if you go SPX, yes, you may hit like a 50%er, but after you missed 2 today, I think it's better if you don't.
Yeah. No, I'll be patient.
Alrighty, you do you. We are breaking back, maybe, under the 411 area here. Lots of selling volume, like comparatively.
It's the first touch of the 9 right here, on the 5.
Could be the place to buy.
Could be. I don't think so though. Very cautious.
Yeah, decreasing selling volume by.
Maybe I did call top.
Yeah, you did. 330 left on the candle. Potentially. Buy signal on the 1 minute, but I again think that's invalidated. Just putting that out there though.
Yeah, that was the buy. That's a 9.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna get off. Have a vigorous your day, trip.
Right, you too.
RYT. Oh, I need to say bye bye to the stream. That would have been better if I just left the stream on. Bye, guys. But yeah, that would have.